Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to remove face lock from app lock setting. Friends, you don't want to unlock Redmi mobile face lock with app lock setting. You want to remove face lock from app lock setting. So friends, now let's see how to remove face lock from app lock setting. One by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, in your Redmi mobile, you don't want to unlock app with face lock. Friends, you can see I have face lock on my app lock setting, and you don't want to use face lock on your app lock setting. So friends, now let's see how to remove face lock from app lock setting. Open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. So friends, in your Redmi mobile, scroll down here, open your phone app setting. After turn on app setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. So friends, in your Redmi mobile, tap here app lock setting. Use face lock use face. As you can see, verify face data, and if you enter password, so you can unlock your app lock setting. Friends, right click here setting icon. Face unlock setting we will off. After off friends, now you can see face lock data will not show on your app lock setting if you click here. So friends, you have logged any app in your Redmi mobile. So friends, you can check file app, photos app, and YouTube app is logged in my Redmi mobile. So friends, when I will on photos app, file app, phone app, so friends, you can see face lock is not here. You cannot unlock your gallery app with face lock. Enter your app lock password, you can unlock your app lock. You can unlock your gallery app without face data. Friends, if you click your phone call app setting, friends, you can see face lock will not show. Enter password, you can unlock your phone call app and you can use it. Friends, again you want to use app lock plus face lock setting. Open your device app setting, open your device app lock setting, enter your password, scroll down here, face unlock setting again on. Friends, you can see you will have to verify your face, show your face on your camera, front camera, and you can use app lock plus face lock setting. And friends, if you click here use fingerprint, so friends, first of all you will have to enter your lock screen password, then friends you will have to add fingerprint lock in your Redmi mobile, then friends you can use it. You can unlock app with fingerprint lock, and you can unlock app with use your face lock data. And friends, you don't want to use face lock on lock screen setting, also you want to remove face lock. Friends, click here face unlock setting, enter your password. After enter password, click here face data setting, delete face data. Okay. After delete face lock friends, you can see on your lock screen you cannot use face lock in Redmi mobile. Swipe, phone will unlock with pattern lock. Face lock will not show. Draw pattern, enter password, you can unlock phone. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.